Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, let's discuss in detail about top two off-campus recruitment drive from top two companies. One is from Tata Elxsi and second is Capgemini. So yes, let's discuss in detail. So for Tata Elxsi, we have two profiles. One is validation engineer profile and the other one is for software engineer profile. So let's discuss both. So for validation engineer, you can see the locations here. I mean, it is for Bangalore, Hyderabad. Almost all metro cities. So yes, then the packages for like 3 to 4 lakh per annum, which is quite good package for who is starting their careers for in this particular company. So like C, C++, Code, Java, and JavaScript, Python, or any programming language you well versed with, you can apply. Bachelor's degree in BE and others. So and not specified any branch or so. So yes, you can apply. So yeah, it is mentioned. I mean, preferred would be BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, then ME, MTech, MS, then BSc, CA, BCS, BCM. Circuit branches also it is mentioned here like CS, ITI, SE, ECE, or triple E or data science. So you can apply, and cyber security specializations, and no mechanical or civil or other engineering streams. So you can just check out as per the eligibility. You can apply her skills required. You can see flexibility to a closure, fluency of ideas, and lot of other skills are mentioned. You can just go through. These are basic skills as per your job role. Okay, so you can apply for this. You can just apply, login, and apply for the job role. Then the software engineer, the profile again is for 3 LPA to 4 LPA, and it is almost same. But yes, you can apply for this as well. You can see the job locations as well. And yes, these both job roles are being updated 1 day before only. So make sure that you apply as soon as possible before links expire, so you know how soon links expires. And now let's move on to the Capgemini role, which is Capgemini trained fresher hiring, which is 2019, 20, and 2021 batch pass out. So deadline is 14th of November. In TCA, the Tata Elxsi, no such deadline was mentioned, but yes, you can apply. Also, it is not such mentioned that it is for freshers or experience, but yes, you can apply though. I would suggest apply for even if you are from 1920 or 2021 batch pass out. Also, now for Capgemini, it is 3 to 3.8 LPA, and you can just see like 10th, 12th, and graduates. For graduation is required, and like BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, and ME. And for all across your qualification, 50 percentage is required. And like I said, 1920 and 2021 only. Okay, and first you'll have your assessment, then you'll have your interview round. Okay, selection process you'll get through emails only, so make sure you check your emails on time. So this is all overall a profile for Capgemini trained fresher hiring. In case you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Till then guys, have a great day, be safe, take care.